Maybe not my brightest moment. It'll clean up though. I'm sure of it. Excuse me, puppies, I'm trying to get ready. So I'm packing super light. We're just gonna go out, take some landscape shots. Also going out without a mic or anything. I'm not sure that the GoPro's media mod is weatherproof enough for this, so just playing it safe. Here's our lens for today. Let's go show you guys this. Look at all the help I've got right now. Lots of help. All these fuzzy friends just really want to make sure I keep my gear clean. Certainly no hair in my sensor. There we go. All right, let's do this. Bye, Mezzy. Okay, be back soon. You guys be good. Stay. Oh my God. Hopefully you guys can hear me at least a little bit. One of my goals, oh my God, what am I even gonna take photos of? You can't see that far. I can't even see anything. Quickly double check the weatherproofing on the Sigma 24. Is the Sigma 24 to 70 millimeter weatherproof? Okay, it's weather sealed. It'll be fine. Look at that house. Looks cool. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna find this way. And not all the lights are on, only some of them. Oh man, there's gonna be so much snow to get off of my lens. So right in front of us is supposed to be a mountain. I can't see that. This isn't what I had in mind. It's a little snowier than expected. Ooh, right here. Oh my God. This is terrifying right now. Of all the wildlife photography I do, I don't normally get my gear to look like this. I'll need some towels to dry it all off for sure. I'm not sure if I'll get a lot of photos here, but my foot. But this is just, I love walking in the snow, although this is a bit much right now. Like, what do you even take pictures of in this? Well, I definitely dressed warm enough. I didn't expect how little visibility it would be. One of these street lamps is gonna work. I'm just looking for the perfect one. even got a little bit of glow on it. What about like, oh wow. Risk it for the biscuit. Don't fall into the ditch. Is this even worth the biscuit? I don't know. Wow. I need to be a step back. These aren't too Christmassy looking, so like it works. Cool. I hope one of those turned out. I mean, I could go for a quick forest walk. I bet it looks pretty cool. I feel like somebody could do something pretty cool with this tunnel. I mean, maybe with a subject that would be pretty sweet. But I'm not really sure what to do with that. That looks kind of cool. It's absolutely stunning. I was gonna go get the gear cleaned up. I think it can handle a little bit longer. What do you guys think? Because it's absolutely stunning it right now. I'd argue it looks better than last time. The toughest part is gonna be isolating all this. What do I want a shot of? What looks best? I don't know. It might not be anything amazing, but just, oh, okay, this little opening here, because honestly, what looks so cool right now is this white wall. The stairs, we'll finally see where those lead and head back, because I didn't walk the stairs last time. Let's actually try and get down there, get the low angles. Oh, well, this works out, because you know what? Now when we get back up to the top, it might be dark enough for a different effect off of those street lamps. Okay, what if I go wide and get this tree out of the shot? Goodbye, beautiful forest. Well, that was fun. Is it dark enough yet? Stop sign in the way. We're almost there. See, I think I need to come out when it's dark because I'm thinking the glow from the street lamps will be enough to actually have an effect on the snow around it. I mean, it's starting to put a little bit of warmth onto the snow on the ground. See, that's what I'm trying to get, like the glow on the snow flying in the air. Oh my gosh. I better take care of my gear after this. This thing deserves a spa. That street lamp right there. Do you guys got these street lamps in your cities? I don't know why I'm finding them so interesting. I mean, I do know why. Maybe I'm wrong too. I am just going based off of memory, but they remind me of the Narnia lamp. Huh. What if I get a little more depth in this photo? We're back at the first lamp, but it looks cool. Back up. I like this. There's no worries. Like, I'm not worried about trying to find a particular type of animal, even though I still really want to find that particular type of animal. But you know, it's good to just take a step back and enjoy taking some photos. All right, let's see. How far am I going to be able to see? Okay, you can actually see down there now, so I can take the same shot. I like the first one best. I don't think there is redoing this one. Oh, cool. I like their house. It's really tucked in. And there's a lot of light leak to it from the street lamp. All right, time to clean this all off. This should be a treat. Oh, didn't realize how much snow was there.
Yeah, you're fine.
Now, I've already done this all wrong by exposing the camera directly to the warm air, but I'm just gonna try and get this as dried off as possible now. Oh man, this part sucks. Maybe not my brightest moment. It'll clean up though, sure of it. Let's extend it very carefully and leave it extended while the barrel dries. I'm definitely not worried about the camera at all because that is supposed to truly be weather resistant. And I've seen a lot of people test it online. I'm pretty confident with the A7 IV itself to not become damaged as long as this part is sealed, which it is, thanks to this lens. The part I'm actually worried about would be the zoom portion here, because it can create a vacuum effect, and regardless of this being weather sealed, water can still get sucked in, which may have already happened while I was out there just taking photos. But hopefully it'll all dry out and it won't be anything terrible or noticeable. The front's already clearing up a fog, which is nice. Wow, I just took the cutest photos of the dogs. I don't know how good they were because they were through the glass. That's adorable. I'll pop the real photo up. You know what? The gear actually looks fine. So I'm just gonna quickly put the lens cap back on. Guys, you're being loud. That one, you're being loud. Yeah, you're being loud. So I'm just gonna quickly put this in my bag and let it like return to a normal temperature. Moment of truth. Is the inside of the barrel wet? Okay, I don't see any moisture. And after a light cleaning, got all the dust off, so it really does look... Okay, well there's always a couple specks. I'm not really too worried, but I cleaned it up. It looks better, okay?